said be here and plan to start by 6 a.m. We figured Friday we beat the crowds. There was 2 cars here last night when we camped, and now like there's a higher and a lower parking lot. They're almost filled up. Kirk better get here. We got Greys and Torreys. We are currently here. We'll follow this all the way up to Greys Peak. Cross the saddle over to Torreys. So 14,270, 14,267. And we'll come back down a little rough patch of trail right here. We'll see how that goes. So, all right, this bridge right here is kind of the beginning of the trail, going all the way up there. All the way up there. And there's, there's Kyle and Kirk. You can see it with the exposure. We've got Greys over here, that saddle, and Torreys to the right. That's where we're going to be, hopefully about 1 hour and a half, 2 hours. Fingers crossed. Right. So guys, we're about almost an hour into the hike. First impression so far? This is... That was going to be for my students, but this take will be for us, I guess.
Yeah, try a different take then. Try a different take. You can keep recording, just edit that.
Yeah, we'll cut that down.
You know the ability to edit, right?
I hope so. Okay, so with Greys in the background up there.
Third the way behind.
Are we third?
Yeah.
About an hour, a little less than an hour walking. Kirk, you holding up?
I'm good.
Yeah, he lives in Denver. He's fine.
Yeah, but I'm representing.
Oh, that's right. He's got the number. Yeah, he's representing. All right. Oh, let's do this. Oh, there's dogs.
How's it holding up?
So far, so good.
Yeah.
Us, not so much.
The dogs. Greys and Torreys. There's that saddle in the middle. This is going to be long. Here we go. Okay, we are, well, what, about 15 minutes ago we were at 12,000 feet. Now we're 12,500. Okay. A little ways to go. Feeling the elevation though, right? So we're going to keep going. That's it. We've been about to go up this ridge here with all these people. See all that ridge, you see some people up top there. And there's like switchbacks. You can look way up there, you can see dots. Yep, and if you keep on going around, there's the saddle, you can see Torreys. And you can almost kind of see dots there. It's Let's stop for a break, put our backs on. And Kyle, bye-bye. Okay. Here's the, are they going to Greys or Torreys? Actually, we're going to we'll go Greys. Then come back down this little trail and eat that stuff. Elevation's rough. Okay, so we're at the start of the switchbacks. They'll kind of jut back and forth until they eventually get all the way back around to the peak over there. But the cool thing about this, if you look around there, that's where we parked the cars. You can trace the trail all the way look over this area. If you look out there, right around there, that's the exit we took on the interstate yesterday. So, progress. Keep on going. Got mountain goats coming. Yeah. I don't know how they can breathe up here because I can't. Okay. Welcome. We're at Greys. See all around there. Yeah, we didn't make a great time today. We made it. We're at the top of Greys Peak. We're at 14,270 feet. Over there, that's Torreys Peak. We're going to do that one. We are not going to do that one today. We are so wasted from the climb. But yeah, the view is awesome. We're going to go back down now because we're really low on oxygen. It's really thin up here and we are tired. Alright, now we go. Alright, Kyle and I aren't going to do it. But just so the day's not kind of a total waste, Kirk is going to go up Torreys. We're going to wait right here on the saddle for him. So we'll see how he does. He knows it. He knows it. All right, here we go. Let's watch him. Past the treacherous ground so I can film something again. Oh my gosh. We're on our way back to the cars on the descent. Much easier coming down than coming up. A lot of people going. And there are the storm clouds rolling in. That's why they say you gotta start early so you can get back down before thunderstorms hit. So with no trees up here, you are the highest point and you are in some serious danger. So we're booking it.